Mathematics Class 8.
Welcome dear friends. Myself Zena Bohri. Today we are going to learn chapter number 18, Construction. Here we begin with review of some of the steps of construction of angles and their bisectors through this animation to revise what we learned in the previous classes. So have a look on this animation.
Suppose we want to make a copy of an angle ABC, whose measure we do not know. How do we do that? First, we draw a line L and mark a point Q on it. With B as center and a suitable radius, draw arcs to cut the arms of angle ABC at points J and K respectively. With Q as center and the same radius, draw an arc to cut ray QR at the point M. Adjust the ends of the compass such that they lay on the points J and K respectively. With M as center and a radius equal to JK, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at point L. Finally, we draw ray PQ passing through point L. Angle PQR is congruent to angle ABC. We have constructed a copy of an angle of unknown measure. Now, we will learn how to bisect an angle using a ruler and a compass. Now, we will learn how to bisect an angle using a ruler and a compass. Here, the given angle is angle PQR. Taking Q as center and a suitable radius, draw an arc which intersects the ray PQ at X and the ray QR at Y. With X as center and a radius more than half the length of XY, draw an arc in the interior of angle PQR. Similarly, with Y as center and keeping the same radius, draw an arc to intersect the arc just drawn. Mark the point of intersection as Z. Now draw a ray from vertex Q passing through point Z. Ray QZ is the bisector of angle PQR.
You have seen how to construct an angle using only a ruler and a compass. Now, let's look at constructing a few angles of special measure using only a ruler and a compass. In this animation, we look at constructing angles measuring 60, 1. Let us draw 120 degrees. Now, let us draw 120 degrees. We begin by drawing a line segment PQ. With Q as the center and any convenient radius, draw an arc. Name the point of intersection of the arc and the line segment as O. Using the same radius and O as center, intersect the arc at R. With the same radius and R as center, intersect the arc at S. Now, join Q to S and extend the ray to Y. Angle PQY measures 120 degrees. Now, let's draw an angle measuring 90 degrees. We begin by drawing angles of 60 degrees and 120 degrees. As the next step, bisect the angle between 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Join Q to T. Angle PQT is 90 degrees. You have seen how we have bisected the angle between 60 degrees and 120 degrees to obtain an angle measuring 90 degrees. Similarly, we can bisect other angles of special measures to obtain different angles. Let's see how to obtain an angle measuring 30 degrees using the bisecting technique. Bisecting the 60-degree angle will give us an angle that measures 30 degrees. You can use the bisecting technique to draw angles measuring 75 degrees and 105 degrees too. Why don't you try it out yourself?
Dear friends, from this animation you have learned how to construct an angle of different measures as well as how to bisect angles. Let us move to the exercise 18A. Question 1. Given below are the angles X and Y. This is the angle which is of measure X degree and this is the angle which is of measure of Y degree. Without measuring angles, we have to construct angle ABC which is equal to the sum of the two angles. Then in the second example, we have to construct another angle ABC which is of the 2x plus y. It means the measure of given angle X we have to take double and in that we have to add the angle Y so that it will form angle ABC. Thirdly, we will move to the construction of angle ABC in such a way that angle X plus 2y means here we will take the measure of angle X and in that we will add the double of the angle Y. Let's move with me. Step by step, we will construct all these angles. Remember, here we have to use ruler and compass. Without using protractor, we have to draw these constructions of angles. So here we go with the first step. First, we will draw a ray which is the one arm of our angle ABC, and here we give name BA. Now we will find out the measure of angle according to the given, that is x plus y. So first we will take the measure of x. Now we will take in the compass the suitable radius in order to draw an arc on the angle x. So here we keep in the vertex x and we will draw an arc. Similarly, with the same we will draw an arc on y also. With the same measure, here we will keep on the vertex b and we will draw an arc over here. Now we will take the distance between the 2 points where this arc has intersected. That is the distance between these 2 points in the compass. After taking this distance with compass, we will define the point on this ray and we will cut an arc on the previously drawn arc. So here this is the angle which is of measure of x. Now in this we are going to add y. So we keep here the compass and we will take the distance between these 2 points. with this distance, we will cut one more arc from this previous arc which we have taken on this arc. So, this is measure x and this is the measure y. And if you will join the vertex B, then the angle which is formed here is x plus y. So, let us draw a ray joining this point. And here is the point C. So, dear friends, this is angle ABC with the measure x plus y degree. Let's turn to the second example to draw angle ABC with 2x plus y measure. Let's move with the second example. So first we will draw a ray. You can give it name according to your choice. So I give here BC. Now we need to locate the point A on another ray, which will be in such a way that of the measure 2x plus y. Once again, we will take a compass. With the suitable distance, we will mark an arc on the given angle. And on the second angle also we will mark the arc. Now, with the same measure, we will draw an arc on this ray as well. As we have gone with the previous example, the similar way we will take the distance of these 2 points in the angle x in our compass. And with this distance, we will construct an arc. So this is of the measure x. We need here 2x, means from here once again we will construct an arc. So this x plus x is 2x. Now we will take the distance of these 2 points in the angle y. And with this distance from this point we will construct an arc. So this is y. Now I hope you understood what we have to do. Yes, we will join this point from the vertex P using ruler. So this is the point of intersection to which we have drawn a ray BA, and this is the angle which is of measure 2x plus y. So here we completed the second construction of angle ABC. I think you are ready for the third one. Let's move. In the next construction, we have to draw an angle ABC with the measure x plus 2y. According to your choice, you can give it name either BC or BA. So I give here BA. Now this time we are going to draw x plus 2y. So let us take approximate radius and construct an arc on the given angle. With the same measure on the second angle also we will construct an arc. With the same measure we will draw from the vertex B here an arc. Now we will take the distance between these 2 points. And we will mark an arc over here, which is of measure x. Now we will take the distance between these 2 points on the angle y. And this same distance we will mark twice. This is the one time, which is y, and one more time. So it is together 2y. And this point we will join with the vertex P. So our angle ABC will be ready. Here we give vertex C, and this is an angle ABC with the measure x plus 2y. Dear students, complete exercise 18A.